How to get back old Instagram chat theme. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to restore the default chat theme on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Whether you are not a fan of the new theme or just prefer the old one, you need to first open Instagram app. Make sure that you sign in to your account. Go to the direct messages at top right corner of your screen. Select the conversation where you want to revert the theme. Now tap on the user's name at top left corner of your screen. Here you can see theme at top of your screen. Select that and list of themes will appear on your screen where you need to scroll down and look for the default theme option. So here I got the default. Select that. Here you can easily see the preview as well. Tap on select and your chat will now return to the classic Instagram look just like before. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.